If you would like to request a video, send an email to questions@newstitchaday.com. How to knit, ripping back stitches, or frogging. Special thanks to our sponsor Lion Brand for providing today's yarn. Today we are using their Vanna's Choice line in the color Aqua. Sometimes in your work you'll realize that you've made a mistake a few rows down and you'll have to do what's called ripping back, or sometimes it's called frogging because you rip it, rip it, rip it, rip it. So generally what you'll do is you'll take your needle out and then just start pulling on the stitches. But the problem with that is you end up with a bunch of live stitches that are a little bit difficult to deal with. So one way to get around that is to use another needle to place stitches below where you want onto, and then you can rip to that. So the way to do this is we're going to open up the stitches here, and you can see in between, this is garter stitch. We've got all these stitches here, and we're just going to take the needle and thread it through each stitch. So, and you'd want to do this below the row where you've got your problem. So what we're doing is we're grabbing the right leg of each stitch in the row and threading it along. And you could also do this with a darning needle and some waste yarn and use it kind of like a lifeline, if that's a little bit easier for you. Alright, so once you've got all of the stitches threaded onto your work, you can take out your main needle, and then you're going to take your working yarn and just pull the stitches out. Okay, and then once you can't pull them out anymore, you've already got your stitches in place to go back to knitting. Okay, and that's how you rip out your stitches. Want more New Stitch a Day? Check out our website at newstitchaday.com. New Stitch a Day is a Craftery Media production. Check out our other shows at fiberstory.tv and yarntripper.com. This video is licensed under a Creative Commons Attribution No Derivatives 3.0 unported license, which means use it on your website, put it in your patterns, but please don't change anything.